guess I should give you guys a little background on this car. It's a 2000 GC8 wagon, otherwise known as a GF8, or I don't know in the States, GM or whatever the chassis code is. So I picked this thing up for really cheap. And the goal was just to build a fun little project, a little beater. It quickly snowballed into what it is today. Obviously tripling, even quadrupling in price of the original, purchase price of the car. And I have to say the wheels are probably worth more than the car itself. So the motor is a hybrid build, 257 block with EJ205 heads. As you can see, a GR intercooler, stock intake, coil rad. Nothing too special, just a nice cheap build. It's on Works VSXX's 17x10 that I rebuilt. I originally had these on my other car, but they needed some more love, and this car was in need of some wheels. So here she is, the junk wagon. Today we're going to tackle this issue I've been having ever since I started doing this. Ever since I applied it, rather. I need to fix this. I use a product called Auto Dip. The Auto Dip looks great. It looks like powder coat real close and from far away. They've actually had a couple people comment on it saying that it looked just like powder coat. Only to find out that it's actually a sprayable vinyl wrap. The wrap looks good, but it has some flaws. First off, it chips easily. And my main issue with this is whenever I want to do alignment on my car, alignment rack at my work, I can't mount it to anywhere around the lip. I have to mount it to the face and somewhat have to jerry-rig it to work, aka putting zip ties on the face. And this is going to cause, of course, issues. So what I've decided to do is actually just remove the wrap altogether. So today we're going to test and see which is the best method. Do I hand peel it? Do I scrub it off? Or are we just going to go straight for the pressure washer? I think pressure washing is my best bet because I'm a lazy guy. Alright, so I'm just starting to peel it off. Fingernail. It's coming off, but man, I followed the instructions and it says to use one whole can per wheel, which I did. And you can peel it off. Just like, vinyl wrap, but man, this stuff's just flaking off. If I do this, I'm gonna have no fingernail left. It's gonna take forever. I think I'm gonna go straight for the pressure washer. So off camera I was trying to, hit it with the pressure washer a little bit more and see if I can get a little bit more of it out. But I think my worst fears have been realized. I might actually have to dismount all the tires. Might actually have to disassemble all the wheels, remove the centers, and hit it with a higher powered pressure washer. Because, as you can see, after about 20 minutes of work, that's all that came off. And I have SUPERWRAP behind all of the fasteners on all 4 wheels. So is SUPERWRAP worth it? Yeah, it might look nice. Is it easy to remove? Hell no, it's not. It's not as peelable as they say. That or I just messed up the installation, but I followed their instructions down to the T. I did 10 thick coats on each of the wheels, and this is what you get. Incredibly brittle, hard to remove vinyl wrap. And now I have to do double the work just to get it back to the original powder coated gold. And you know, it's just an adventure. So
you wanna try this? I don't know if it's gonna do anything to it. It's nylon. It's
plastic. Yeah. Thank God, dude.